afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 11 says, in which of the following areas is political discrimination most pronounced? Now, I want to talk of political discrimination. Political discrimination simply means the act of segregation against some people politically. Then most pronounced, that is where it is evidenced, that is where it is evidenced. A, competence. B, religion. C, sex. D, tribe. E, zoning. So political discrimination is most pronounced in tribe, not in competence, not in religion, not in sex, which has to do with gender, not in zoning system. And as we all know, the Igbo tribe in Nigeria is discriminated politically. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.